how to make this kind of cascading roof, which is going unusually up and down. So here's the solution. Firstly, we have to use the technique called in-place mesh. Go to meshing and site, in-place mesh. Simply give a name, okay. Then, now, firstly, let's understand. If we start drawing a rectangle, okay, let's briefly understand about meshing. Then we click escape, we select it, and we say create form, solid form. If you create a form like this, okay, so this is a simple form, a basic understand about meshing. And so now we're gonna create this kind of shapes like a hill going upward. Okay. However, when I go to say edit in place mesh, I pick the face, I say add edge. I can only add edge from the vertical side like this. Okay. We are unable to add it outward. Okay. So to able to add it outward, we have to learn about this. Okay. So let's go to meshing and site. Similarly, go to in place mesh. Give a name, say okay. Then we have to click reference line. Okay, to solve this, let's draw a reference line. Then step number 2, go to say set work plane. Set work plane. Hit tab until you see the work plane is changed to vertical like this, From this to this, I'm hitting tab. So and then I click this. So now the work plane is going vertical. And now we can draw lines, draw shapes. Okay, go back to model, yeah, model. We can draw shapes vertically, like this, vertically. Okay, no longer horizontally. So now we can actually draw lines like the going up, this. Okay, and then we can use trim extend, TR, on the keyboard, or this one is the same. Trim extend, this one, TR, shortcut. TR, connect here to here, connect here to here. And then this, we pick and delete it. So now we select these border lines, and then we say create form, we say solid form. Here we go. We get a solid shape. Yeah, I can make it to this side. Yes. And then we can say finish mesh. Finish mesh. If we want to add more lines, okay, we can always adjust this line. Pick the line. Yeah, okay, going up and down. Pick the line, going. Okay. We can always add line. Let's say we can say add edge. I want to add it. Maybe add it here. Then we can hit escape and press this line. We can also reposition this line. Or we can hit space. Okay. Yeah. You can always add line here. So I control Z, I say finish mesh. So now I got this mesh shape, the basic shapes. Now, step number 3 is the time to change it to the roof. So let's go to architecture, roof by face. So we can say, we can pick the face, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can say create roof. Here we go. Okay, you can adjust your roof type, roof thickness, your green roof here. Okay, and also the bottom. Okay, we can make use of this mesh. We can turn it into your curtain glass wall. You can go to say curtain. We can go to say wall by face. We change to maybe this one. Exterior wall storefront, for example. There we go. And pick this. And pick this. Okay, or we can alternately we can use architecture curtain system. We can pick the face also, and then we say create system. create system. Here we go. We have just done a very unique shape, okay, with the curtain glass wall and the green roof. If you want to hide the mess, you can always go to messing aside, go to hide the mess. So it will be something like this. You can also similarly create the floor based on the mess by using architecture floor by face. Okay. So here's the solution. Here's the method, the tips for you to make this kind of shape. Hope you enjoy and able to learn from it. Okay, CREATO, make creative easier. See you next.